Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Golden Guitar. We have a great, good song. It's called From Ember to Ash to Smoke. Ember, Ash, Smoke. From Dean Lewis. Great song, great performer. Before we move on this tutorial, we need to highlight a new channel. It's called Golden Guitar 16 Grow. It's the link up here somewhere. So go out and check out that channel. It's a new way of learning songs. We have a full chord shown on the screen. I have a full playthrough. You just follow along and play the same as I do, and you will learn a song there. So yeah, I need your help, guys, to grow that channel. So thank you so much for your support. Now let's focus on From Ember to Ash to Smoke. We have a couple chords to go over here, 5 of them, and you will see in the music video recently released, he plays that song with a capo on second. We're not going to do that. Why? Because we want to have the simplest chords possible and to match up with the sound. And that you will have without any capo. Without any capo, you will just play the chords I'm going to give you, and you will sound the same, and you have an easier life as well. So now let's go on with the chords. We're going to start with the A minor first. It goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have this kind of A minor B chord, so it's a transition chord. So what you do there, it's enough if you just hold like this, okay? So it's second A, open D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the F major 7 / C, basically a C chord in the bass, sorry, C in the bass with the F major 7 as the chord. So it goes third A, third D, second G, first B, and open E. If you move up this one string, you will have the C G. Okay, so that is basically a C chord with this G note in the bass. So that gives us third E, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, which is the G add 11. A version of G, and it goes third E, second A, open D, open G, first B, and third E. So there we have the chords. Now let's learn the strumming pattern. If you grab the first chord A minor, you're gonna play down, up, down, up. So okay, so down, up, down, up. So one down, a short pause, and then up, down, up. In the context like this. Alright, so let's start with the first verse. We have, two halves, so to speak. So the first half will be A minor, 3 string rounds. Then the F / C, 1. Then the C, G, 3. And the A minor / B, 1. That's the first half. Then you continue with A minor, 2. The F, C, 1. And the C, G, 4. That's it. So I'm gonna speak while I'm playing, so let's do it. It's A minor 3, F C, C G, 2, 3, A minor B, A minor, 2, F C, C, 4. Okay, that is the first verse. You're gonna play that round for 2 times. First verse, and then in this first round we also have a pre-chorus. I think it's a technical pre-chorus, and all I know, that is around the lyrics, and that happens about 33 seconds in. What you're going to play here is the F, C, 3 string rounds, the A minor 1, and the G at 11, 4. You're going to play that twice, so 2 times of that, and that is the pre-chorus, and that takes us to the chorus at 49 seconds in, because I gave all. That is where are the lyrics. So what you're gonna do now is a quick chord transition between the F major / C, 1 string round, then A minor 1, the G at 11 1, and then you stay on that C G 4 times. Okay, that is 1 round. You're gonna do it for 4 times as well. So 4 times of this chord progression. It goes like this, a little bit slower than standard tempo. And just a quick note about that last CG chord. He doesn't play that necessarily with the strumming. He just maybe hits the first kick in every strumming round. Like this, okay? You could fill out with some strumming, it's up to you guys. You can do it in your way, and that is the length of how long you're gonna stay on that CG, okay? It's 4 string rounds, but if you play just the first down or hit one extra up here and there, it doesn't hurt too much, okay? So that is the first round of everything. Now in the second round, we have the second verse played exactly in the same way, but we don't have any pre-chorus more. We're gonna jump right into the second chorus, and that is also just repetition, 4 rounds of that chord progression we just learned. Then we're gonna come to that bridge part that happens about 2 minutes and 13 seconds in. What you're gonna play now is the FC, 4 string rounds, A minor 4, and the G add 11, 8. Okay, so FC4, A minor 4, G8. You're gonna play that chord progression for 3 rounds, and then you're gonna jump back into the final chorus and gonna play that in the same way as the other ones. That's it, guys. Dean Lewis, from Ember to Ash to Smoke to Gruvgear guitar, and voila, you have a song learned. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.